Pyros. Another cold February evening here. I got probably late 80s Cheerfulness Fountain by Red Lantern. And whenever you see in DOT, even early UNO, the word cheerfulness, or you see birds or something like that in the fountain, you know it's probably going to whistle. So this one's definitely going to piss the neighbors off. Anyway, give me a minute here. We'll get her lit and see what she does. Just bear with me, guys. Okay. See what she does, boys and girls. Okay, that's pretty. Nice. What do you know? No whistle. Like, comment, subscribe.